Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming again to show you another DIY revamp to furniture pieces in my home. So this is a table that I redid and this other small table that kind of matches. So I'll show you how I did everything in the next clip. So these are the items that I used to create this look. I also used this white paint to paint the tabletops. And this is the before picture of one of the tables, the big table. So I started with spray painting the base part of the table, and I used the Krylon Brilliant Silver to do that. And yes, you guys, I went outside to do this. I also painted the tabletops with the white paint. I also used the Mod Podge and glitter mixture to create that little sparkle. And I don't know why I did not record this. And this is the after. So this is in my foyer area, and this is by the mantle, showing you the look that I'm going for in my home. Of course, you guys, I told you the look that I'm going for, and that's with the blue, silver, the metallics, the white, and all of those bling things. So this is how everything is looking in my foyer area so far. I do have another piece that goes on the wall, but for now I just staged it like this, just to show you guys how it's coming along. And that piece there, the Bling Platter, I showed you guys on another video. If you guys watch my video on how to create the Bling Platter, that's another Bling Platter that I did that's on the pedestal. So just showing you guys the look of my foyer area so far. And that's it, you guys. This was a very quick video. So this is how my foyer is looking so far. Making some progress, but it takes time. So thanks for watching, you guys. If you like the progress I'm making and you would like to continue to see more, please subscribe to my channel and please share these videos. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.